Now, let's look at precision measurements using a Vernier caliper. The object is clamped between the external jaws for length and outer diameter, while readings are taken using both the main scale and sliding vernier scale. Pause the video at each measurement frame to record your readings into your data table. Record the length of the copper cylinder. Record the diameter of the copper cylinder. Record the diameter of the steel ball. Record the length of the copper wire. Record the length of the copper wire. Record the length of the capillary tube. Record the length of the capillary tube.